Now for the third lesson or use of the revolve command, let's make a kind of a potato looking random ergonomic organic shape and spin it around an axis. You can might as well use polyline to begin with. We'll just draw some odd shape here, following dimensions or not, and use the close option to terminate. Now let's use the polyline edit command, or PE enter, or edit polyline icon. Select our polyline and invoke the spline option to curve it into something. Hit escape or enter to get out of the edit polyline command. You can massage your shape a little bit by dragging the control points of the spline polyline around, much as you like. Hit escape to turn off the control points. Let's draw a simple line, probably not necessary. We can pick 2 points, but draw a line that we're going to use for the axis. Make sure it doesn't overlap, doesn't go inside your profile. Your axis must be entirely outside of the profile that you're spinning around. We can launch the revolve command again, select our shape, hit enter, pick our 2 points, and hit enter for 360, and absolutely nothing happened. Or did it? Let's try a different. Okay, it did. Interesting. I don't recall it not showing so well. But there's our shape. Now, what if you don't want it to be hollow? What if you want it to, have a cylinder somewhere in the middle? Not a problem. Let's undo back before we did the revolve, and let's add another line to our objects here to spin. We'll need to join this into a single polyline. Yep, still didn't join it. Why not? Okay, launch the revolve command. Let's select both objects to spin. Hit enter. Pick 2 points on our axis. Accept 360 default. Doesn't look like much, even when we do a 3D orbit on it, but let's change the visual styles, and you'll see that it is solid now. We added that cylinder in the middle, so consider that for organic shapes. Just spin a splined polyline about an axis, fill in the void in the middle with a simple cylinder if you like. That's about it. See you next video.